Alrighty, so this should be the cap and rotor. Never opened it when it came in the mail because I figured, oh wait, until I actually open it. Should use a box cutter, but I don't have one on hand at the moment. Or actually, no, I'll use the flat one instead. Protronics Ignition Products. This looks like this will be a new rotor, new cap. Cool. This will be fun. I'm not worried about the location of the cables. I have a diagram where to put them all back after. So, alright. That one. I also did get new cables too, by the way, so I shouldn't even bother these cables. Just leave them on there because I'm replacing the whole cap anyway. But oh well. Let me close back on. So I have a little more grip. That's the left side, and this is the right side. Keep them separate to remember. Why is this cable plate so crooked? I guess it's just the way it's made. I'm not sure. Put this over here. What do I do with that little tiny driver I had? Alright, luckily the bolts that are on here are the same size as this driver here. Gotta make sure I keep track of all these screws. I don't know if it comes with new ones. Most likely doesn't. But we'll find out once I start digging into it. Still gonna keep them anyway. So, that rotor should just pop right up. Or this is the rotor cap. That's the coil cap. A lot of dust flying in my face. I can see it. Okay. That's that. So it's like 3. Just seeing how that comes in. Okay. Huh. That's actually pretty frayed. That's no good. Now that probably explains why this thing was running pretty rough. Yes, the arc was going on in here. That, put that over there. It's like there's like no grease at all in this thing. By 10 to 1, my motor's gonna run so much better. By 10 times better, I bet. Oop. Oh, gosh, so the new screws. Or, what are those for? I actually don't know. So it did come with new screws. Also came with new ends for this thing too. But no, I'm not gonna put the new ones on. Hey, what is? Probably something for under there. But yeah. Okay. Let me get this off now. It's a Phillip head, right? Yeah, it is. It is not going in. Yeah, no, I see. I'll use a flat. I can see a flat work. So, I wasn't even holding on to anything. Or was it? I don't remember. I didn't really get a good look at it. Oh, black. Good thing I'm replacing that. Springs look good. It also looks like a vacuum or some sort. Those two lines being broken. I probably should replace those soon. I don't have any hose right now to do it, but I should replace these. All black. Oop. These screws are actually really nice. I might keep those instead of the ones that they provided. Wait, no, they're built onto it. Okay, never mind. That's fine. Be sounding a little bit dumb, but I don't know what that piece is for. This one right here. Whatever. I'm not seeing anything like similar to that, any of this stuff, so I'm not gonna bother with it. If I didn't pull it off, I'm not replacing it. So I managed to figure out what that piece goes to. It goes here in the middle. And when I put it together, I realized this cap never actually had it, so therefore it was missing the entire time. Whoever did this last, because I don't think this is original. I really don't anymore. They never put that piece in, that ground or whatever that's supposed to be. I'm not entirely sure what it's supposed to be, but That's what I'm assuming. What it has to be is most likely a ground of some sort. So I'm also seeing this wire being bare like that. I'm just gonna put a little piece of tape on it. The electrical tape here, because I just can't leave that exposed. I've got to cover it up. So I'm doing that now, because I don't have a replacement coil to repair that wire with, or to you know, replace the entire system with. So instead of it shorting out like it was doing, I'm just going to prevent it entirely by covering it up, so it's not touching that. Because I bet that's one of the reasons why Molo didn't sound as good as he should have. So hopefully now he'll run like a dream. Alright, so I need to put this thermal compound on this. Oh, let's see this thermal compound. Yeah, it's white. I thought it would be clear, but it's not. There we go, that's on. There we are. Simple as that. Came with these. I don't know what these are for. Maybe it's for that? I don't know, but I'm not going to use any of the ones that it came with. Alright, so set this back down. That's how where it was. probably help if I get the these out of the way a little bit. So, guessing that just sits right on there. Oh, I'm sure. And then I just do that. There we are. Like that, yes. I just take these, that other thing, where it went. There it is. That's it. Cap and rotor are all done. Just gotta plug these in. If it'll go. This one. Snap in place. Oh, it did snap in place. Just did it quietly. Oh, clip's broken. But it's in place, so I'll have to fix that too at some point. Well, that's it for that. Next up I'm gonna put the new spark plugs in. I wonder why that one's sitting much lower. It must be the way it's designed, I don't know. But yep, just gotta put the spark plugs in and the new spark plug wires. Probably shouldn't forget that either. Alright, next.